Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you a simple and easy and permanent solution for your sink if it is getting blocked repeatedly. See, from the previous state to the clean state, just with one gadget you can get the solution, and that too that is permanent. See here, if the sink is getting blocked, we need to clean it manually, or we need to just use a small pipe or something to clean that, or a powder. But in this video I'm going to tell you this simple gadget, which is garbage collector with a suction cup, which is under 100 rupees or 150 rupees. You can just place it over your kitchen sink top, so that whatever the waste material, maybe after eating or while cutting the vegetables, you can just keep all the garbage in this plastic strain. There are some stainless steel materials also which cost a bit more, but this is enough. Just I want to show you the full unboxing and how you can install this. Installation is very easy, and the price here is, the user has purchased this on the Flipkart under 150 rupees, maybe something like 110 rupees or something. Anyway, I'll be attaching this product, you can see. So this is the product, right? The quality is decently good, and this comes with a suction cup. See, because if you use sink draining powders or liquids time and again, you need to use them again and again whenever it is getting blocked. So that is also a manual cleaning. But this suction cup, you can just use it like this, because you can remove this. You can remove this and just throw out the garbage somewhere, and you can again place it over here. Yeah, that's the thing. See here, you need to fix the suction cup at one of the corner of your kitchen sink, and you can just place it over here, and you can remove it, and you can keep it again on this tray. Okay, one thing here important is this got some strains here, so whatever the liquids will just go out into the sink, and all the garbage will be collected inside that basket. Yeah, not only that, if it is clean enough, you can clean some vegetables also. Yeah, please do comment what are your opinions on this product, because this simple gadget will solve the major problem of kitchen sink getting blocked or clogged time and again. And the user using this for almost 3 months, and they have experienced that after installing this product, the life become very easy and comfortable, and the problem for kitchen sink getting blocked time and again is completely solved. So whatever the garbage, even when you're cleaning your plates after eating, those garbage also you can just place it over there, and you can have a good sink. Please do comment your opinions.